The first thing. The first thing. Question is graph. The first thing is determine or find A, B, C. What does it mean? So my function is y is equal to a times x squared b times x plus c. This is our case. This is the quadratic function. Quadratic function. Now, when you look at here, is it clear that x squared means actually 1 times x squared? It's not given, but we know. So a is 1, b is 2, c is negative 3. Is it clear or not? A, B, C, what are they? First step,
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
Second step, parabola, which is the graph, it means the graph. I mean, graph of quadratics is parabola for that reason. Parabola is upward or downward. Decide.
Upward.
How can you decide this? If a is greater than 0, up. If a is less than 0, down. So what is a? 1. 1 is greater than 0, so the function is upward. That means the function will be something like that. Okay? Third step. Order not important. Of course, first you should start this. Instead of second, you can do now third. Instead of third, you can do second. Now, determine, or let's say find the vertex. It's important. So what is the vertex? Vertex is h comma k, and h is negative b over 2a. Memorize this. What is k? There is a formula, but forget about the formula. K is in function f the image of h. I mean, if this is 1, h is 1, f of 1 is k. So simple. No need to memorize. The formula was, as I remember, k is 4ac minus b squared over 2a. But you can forget this, so no need now. Find the h, which is simple to memorize. When you find h, f of h is k. So let's do it in our question. H equals negative b over 2a. Negative, so b is here, we know 2. 2 times a. A is here, we know 1. So it will be negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. Any question for this? Do you have any question? H is negative 1. Do we have question, guys?
No.
No
No.
questions, sir.
So what is k? K is f at h. It means f at negative 1. It means, so this is my question. So what is f of negative 1? Negative 1 squared. And 2 times negative 1 minus 3. So equals 1 minus 2 minus 3 equals 1 minus 2, negative 1, negative 1 minus 3, negative 4. So finally, to sum up, vertex is x coordinate of vertex negative 1, y coordinate of vertex negative 4. So, okay, do we have any question till now? Do you have
No.
any question how to find the vertex?
No.
Now, the fourth step, which is simple. Why simple? Where can I write the fourth step? There is no place. So let me put it here. Fourth step. Write axis of symmetry. Write the equation of axis of symmetry. Write the equation of axis of symmetry. So what was the equation of axis of symmetry? It is directly x equals h, the first component of the our vertex, which is -1. Huh. Let me say this is optional. This is optional. Why optional? Normally in the graph, we do not need to show the axis of symmetry. No need. Just in case, if you need, axis of symmetry is x equals h, which is x equals -1. To draw the graph, we don't need. Some extraordinary cases, we may need. Or if the question says, show the axis of symmetry also, we should put. But normally, graph the function, no need. Till here, do you have any question?
Can you repeat your last point, teacher?
Uh, the fourth one is optional. Even you do not need to graph the function. I mean, I can clean this one. Okay, no need. When we need, I can show you later on. So the whiteboard. So the fourth step I am cleaning. No, there is no fourth step, let's say. No need now. Okay, no need. Now, what is the fourth step? Now the fourth step, let's say, now the fourth step, let's say, fourth step, find intercepts if exist. What does it mean, intercept? X-intercept, Y-intercept. So simply, what is the Y-intercept? Y-intercept is directly C, which is this, -3. So X is 0, Y is -3. No need to do calculation. But you can do. How? To find the Y-intercept, what we say, when X is 0, what is Y? So 0, 0, -3. 1 times 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 3, which is 0. Finished. Now, what about x-intercept? How can I find x-intercept? To find the x-intercept, say when y is 0, what is x? So how can I do this? How can I do this? F of x is y, so this is equal 0, x squared plus 2x minus 3. And do you know how to solve this? Do you know how to factorize this? We are finding two numbers. The product of two numbers is -3. For example, let's say -1 times +3. And sum of these two numbers must be our middle term, which is 2. -1 plus 3. Yes, it is 2. And then we write x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0. So x minus 1 equals 0 means x equals 1 and x plus 3 equals 0 means x equals -3. So what does it mean? 1 comma 0 and -3 comma 0 are x-intercepts. Is it okay? Do you know how to do this? How to find, how to factorize and get the result? You know or you don't know?
Yes.
Yes, we know.
Now everything is finished. Everything is finished. Let me clean this part. First step. Last part is just graph. Sketch the graph, draw the graph by using the steps what you have seen. So I am drawing. Look now. I am drawing. Now, what are the intercepts? X is 1, Y is 0. X is -3, Y is 0. X is 0, Y is -3. Okay? Now, parabola is up or down? Up or
Up.
down?
Up.
Up. So, simply, this is the graph. Or before this, better I have another idea. 1 minute. Before this, Where is the vertex? Vertex is, okay, let me draw better. Let me draw better. This is not scaled one, but I will try. Oops, I couldn't. I didn't draw well. Let's say x, y. So we said that 1 comma 0, negative 3 comma 0, and negative 3. Now, dear students, look at now. Where is vertex? It's crucial. It's so important, essential. Where is vertex? Negative 1 comma negative 4. So negative 1 here and negative 4 somewhere here, right? Negative 4, negative 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I am ready. So upward or downward? Upward. So when I join these points, so vertex as a like a curve, I should draw, not line. So vertex is the minimum. Finished. So this is the minimum point, which is negative 4. And y-intercept is negative 3. And here, negative 3 and 1, x-intercepts. And put here arrow. It means that it goes infinitive. Finished. We are done. Huh. Better to show also like this. This is now negative 1, the coordinate of vertex. That's it. Now, to check ourselves, what I know, the graph is finished. This is the solution. To check ourselves, what I know, axis of symmetry is passing the vertex. And what I know, axis of symmetry is symmetry. I mean, this length must be equal this length. So from negative 1 to 1, how many units I have? 2 units. From negative 1 to negative 3, how many units I have? 2 units. That means I am done. Correct. There is no problem. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So you don't need to do this. No need. Okay. Graph is this one. So we finish the graph. Okay, let's go back to our book, our solution.